Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today we are going to machine knit the X and O stitches on a knitting machine, or you can call it the hugs and kisses stitches. I've seen a lot of hand knitted X and O stitches representing hugs and kisses, and it looks so cute, especially for the little kid sweater and the dog sweater. So instead of hand knitting, I try to do it on a knitting machine. And it's really not that difficult. It's just basic cable stitches. I'm going to start with stockinette stitches first. And for this example, I have 8 stitches as a pattern stitch. So it will be 4 stitches and 4 stitches. And outside those 8 stitches, I do a hand manipulated purl stitch. So I have purl stitches here and here to make the pattern stand out more. So I will need 10 stitches in the center, the 8 stitches for the cable, and 1 extra stitch for the purl stitch reform. And outside that, I want a few stitches of plain stitches. You can decide how many stitches you want. I'll place 5 stitches on each side. So I have left 10 to right 10 stitch, but the pattern is only the center 10 stitches. And if you don't want to do the reforming of the purl stitch, you can just do 8 stitches in the center. And cast on any way you like to have a few rows of plain stockinette stitch first. I'm just doing the simple E-rub cast on. We'll need a few rows. Now we can start the cable. And for this stitch pattern, you will need 2 of the 2-prong transfer tool because each side we have 4 stitches. So we do 4 stitch cable on the left side and also on the right side. So the center here is a 0. I will work on the left side first. The first 4 stitch on the left side of the 0. So we pull out those 4 stitches. And we will do the cable crossing. And here is a trick. For this pattern, you want to have symmetrical directions on the same row. You can start by transferring the center needle to outward first, the center needle outward, or you can do it reverse. You can transfer the outside needle toward the center first and outside needle toward the center. As long as they are symmetrical, you will be okay. And after the cable transferring row, we can knit 3 rows and then do another cable transfer in the same direction. And then we'll have 3 plain rows in between every cable transfer. So we have 2 cable transfer in the same direction, and then we change direction for the 3rd and 4th cable transfer. And we just repeat those 4 cable transfer to make that X and O stitch pattern. So that sounds more complicated than it is. First, I got the first cable. I can start by going to the center first. So the outside go to center, and it's the same on the right side. The outside go to the center first. The center 2 stitch transfer to the outer 2. So the first crossing is done. And we'll do the symmetrical one on the right side. Transfer the outer 2 needle toward the center first. Here is on the right side of the 0, 2 stitches, another 2 stitches, and we move toward the 0 first, toward the center. And then the center one move toward the outside. And if you want, you can push those few needles out all the way. It's easier to knit the next row. Now we finished the first cable transfer. We are going to knit 3 plain rows. And we'll repeat the same cable transfer again. So the left side, 4 cable stitches. And we transfer toward the center first, just like last time. And on the right side, transfer toward the center first. You can move all the stitch out, the 8 stitches, and then knit another 3 rows. Now we are going to do another cable transfer, but now we are going to switch the direction. Before we have the outer stitches move to the center first. Now we are going to move the center stitch outward first. And the same on this side, center, outward first. Now we have the center stitch move outward first. And then place these 2 onto the empty needles. And the same on the right side. The center needle move outward first. And in the hand knitting, we call it cable with the needle in the front or with the needle in the back. The abbreviation can be C4F or C4B, the front or back. But once you try this once, you will remember how to do it. And you don't have to be confused with all the abbreviations. So we did the transfer, that's the third cable transfer. And we will knit another 3 rows. And we'll repeat it one more time the same way. The 4 cable stitches, we'll move it outward first, just like the last one. And the same here. We move the center stitch outward first. And then transfer the outer 2 stitches toward the center. So this finishes our last cable transfer. We can knit 3 more rows. Now we just start from the first row again. We do the cable transfer with the outside 2 stitch toward the center first, just like our first cable. So first and the second cable transfer will be in the same direction, and the third and fourth will be in the same direction. And then we go back again to first and second, and then third and fourth. We can just keep repeating that. And another thing is the purl stitch reform. You will make everything stand out more. So we have 8 stitch for the cable. So we'll pick out the 5th stitch on each side from the center. That will be our purl stitch. So we can drop off the stitch and use your latch tool. We can just drop it down. You can decide how low you want it to be. Here is our first stitch. I will do it here. And we just reform all the stitch back by the transfer tool. You can see it creates a neat stitch from this side, and in the front side it will be the purl. And then hand it back to the needle. The same on the left side. The 5th stitch, drop it. And you decide where is the last stitch. And then drop it. and then latch up. Hand it back to the needle. Now we finished our first repeat, and we can just continue as long as you like. And let's take a sneak peek here. I'm going to need another repeat and take it off the machine. So we are going back to the first cable. I will have it move toward the center first, so we go inward. So the outer 2 stitches move inward first. So it's the same on the right side. We move it toward the center first. And we will knit 3 rows and repeat again. Now we just finished second repeat with 4 cable crossing rows. Now we can do the reform. So we just continue the reform of the purl stitch on the 5th needle from the center on both sides. So that's our machine knitted X and O pattern. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.